Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel. So we are doing a very quick video today. So I am actually going to be picking the winner of my 1000 subscriber giveaway. Now if you remember, I will be giving away the budget planner that you can go and watch just so you can be reminded of what you're going to win. But it's already closed, so thank you for everybody who has commented and all the support that I have given that was given to me in the past couple of weeks. And yeah, so we are going to do, I have the YouTube random comment picker website up. I've never done this before, but we are going to pick a winner. So I'm going to flip the camera around and then we are going to go from there. All right, so I have the URL already copied, so we are going to paste it and then we're going to get the YouTube comments. I've never done it before. Let's see. Amount of YouTube comments. Yes, so we are going to start. So who are we going to get? So the winner is Donna Joe. So she said, congratulations on 1K subscriber. Favorite holiday is Christmas. That is my favorite holiday also. So Donna Joe, thank you so much for your love and support. She actually watches my videos frequently and I absolutely love her. I watch her videos too of her grocery hauls and her budgeting. She is amazing. Go and subscribe down to her. Her link will be down below also. But congratulations, Donna Joe. I will be emailing you shortly so I can get your address and so I can send it to you. So congratulations again, and thank you all for your love and support, and I hopefully can be doing another giveaway soon. Bye, you guys. Have a good weekend.